I had to install a UTech smart lock, so I had to make a drill into the door. Went to the Home Depot, got a Ryobi tool, got exact gadgets that really marks the circles, and it gave the drill. Now that the drill is going through on one side and now on the other side, both the sides now been done, so automatically the block came out, making a perfect circle. And this is the other side with a smaller drill that I had to do, and I had to make a groove, a kind of a small wedge that I had to really do that, so that the strike plate sits inside the door. I had to chisel with this particular tool that's coming from Ryobi, and it's all done now. It's set up now. You could really activate with the UTech app. You could walk in, and there you go. With your fingerprint, you can just walk in now. Don't have to carry the key.